guys, back with me and Daddy. Let's continue to open the big surprise egg. Okay, Dad, take the big surprise egg and let's unboxing. Are you curious what inside, guys? Take the body, stars, and flowers. Blue and green flowers and stars too. Okay, it was clean. Let's peel the big egg. Now it's time to open the egg. Come on, Dad, I can't wait. Wow, the egg is transparent. It's my first time, so we can see toys inside. Okay, let's unboxing all toys. Put the big egg behind of the toys and let's unboxing one by one. First, let's see the papers. It's Domino of Disney Frozen. Look, there are Anna, Elsa, Sven, Kristoff, and Olaf. Okay, Dad, let's continue to open another toys. Now we got a bear. It's a bear usually with Masha. Rawr! Now let's open toys inside the plastic wrap. Are you curious what inside the plastic wrap? Let's see together. What is that? Holy moly, it's a baby bird. How cute he is. I call you Pio. It's a cute name. Okay, Dad, let's continue to another toys. We got Purple Monster. He is a big monster, but he is funny. Okay, let's open next toys. It's look like big toys. Can you guess what inside? Let's open together, guys. We got a piece of tower. Oh, there is something inside. What is that? Can you guess? It's a bird or lion. Okay, let's open to know. Let's get it out of the tower. Yeah, you are right. We got a red bird. Okay, next toys. It seems similar, but who is she? Can you tell me who is she? Yeah, you are right. It's Elsa while she was kids. Isn't she is beautiful? Okay, guys, before we continue to next toys, I need your help. Please like and subscribe my channel to make more fun videos. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's open the last toys. You must know who is she. Do you know who she is? Yeah, you are right. She is Anna on Frozen. She is beautiful too. Okay, guys, we have done to open all of the surprise egg. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, okay? Thank you, guys. See you next video.